Good morning, KTV students. How's everyone's doing? How was your reading yesterday? Is it great? Okay, so practice makes you perfect. So you have to practice your reading. Okay, welcome back to a new lesson today. Our lesson is about vowels. Vowel sounds. There are two kinds of vowel sounds. The long vowel sounds and the short vowel sounds. Okay, so we're going to review the consonants and the vowels, and you should always remember the sound of the consonants and the sound of the vowels. Okay, so you're going to introduce to you the short and long vowel sounds. Okay, there are a lot of words that have short sounds and long sounds, so you have to listen carefully. Okay, all right, so for our review, we are going to review the 21 consonants. There are 21 consonants. Okay, we call consonants. Okay, so consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? The sound of the consonants are B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, P, W, R, S, Ch, W, X, U, and Z. Alright, so 21 consonants and there are 5 vowels. Okay, so always remember this. 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, A. Okay, so our lesson today is short vowel sounds and long vowel sound. Okay, short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Okay, so for the short vowel sounds, the sound will be like this: A, E, I, O, A, and it should be curved. Okay, so I put curved lines on the top of A, E, I, O, A. So this is the sign. If you say like this is short. Okay, short, 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 short. So short A, short E, short E, short A, short A. Long vowel sounds, look at this. This is straight line. Okay, it is a horizontal line on the top of letter A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So if you say like this is A. If you say like this is A. Okay? If you say like this, E, this one, A. I, E, O, A. U, A. Okay? So remember the signs. So this is a long, short sign, and this is a long sign. Alright? You can see here, look at this. This is short, okay? The curved line means short, A. The straight line here means long, A. A. Okay? So I give you more explanations about this so that you can understand. Okay? So here are short sound. Okay? This one is short. Short A. Short A. What's this? Short A, because curved line. Okay? So it is short if only one vowel. I told you there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, A. So this is A, E, I, O, A. So this one is short. Okay? So if you see one vowel, this is short. For example, the word catch. Catch. How many vowels? This is only one. There is only one vowel here. Okay? So A is vowel. Letter C and letter T are consonants. Okay? Letter C and letter T are consonants. This is vowel. Understand? And also the word match. Match. How many vowels? There is only one vowel A. Ma. Okay? A. So this is short. We put like this. Okay? How about hatch? The word hatch. How many vowel? There is only one vowel A. So you write like this because only one vowel. Okay? So here you can see in this area the words here have only one vowel. There is only one vowel. The word can has only one vowel. Okay? Can. Okay? Only A. So I wrote curve line here. Okay? Can. Can. And this one again, only one vowel. So I put the curve line here. Because only one vowel. Dam, only one vowel. Far, only one vowel. Hat, only one A. Only one A. And here, A, only one vowel. 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 One vowel. And one vowel. Okay? So if you see, the word has only one vowel, it is short. Okay, you write curve. You understand? Okay, so in here, the word can. Ka, can. Car, dam, far, hatch, lad, man. Pad, pan, ran, rat, sack, tap, van. Okay? These are short vowel. For the long sound, letter A and put here like this. This is long. A. So this is a long A. Long A has two vowels, okay? Vowel A, E, O, A. If we say it is a long vowel, we cannot say A, but it is A, very long. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So these are long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? I put line like this. Okay? If you see line like this, this is a curve, straight. Okay? E, O, A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Remember? How do you say that the word is long sound? Okay? If you see two vowels, it means it is a long A. Alright? For example, the word name, this one. You can see this one. Okay? How many vowels here? Vowel sound. A and E is vowel sound. Okay? This one is no longer na, but it is nay. Okay? Nay. Name. Sound Nay and Name. Okay? And again, another example. Alright, here, the word, what's this? How many vowel here? One vowel. This one is a vowel. So we'll put a sign like this, okay? Because only one vowel. So ka. Okay? If only one vowel and you see it's a curved line, can. The sound of letter N, can. But if you see letter E again there, how many vowels already? There are 2 vowels. 1, 2. Consonant, consonant, vowel, vowel. Vowel. Okay? So this is no longer ka, but it is already K. Okay? Because this one is A. Okay? Cane. Next, it is another. What is this? How many vowels here? Only one vowel. Vowel A. Because one A. Okay? So today, it is short. Curved line. You write curved line. Okay? Car. Okay, so this one is a short. How about if I will write letter E? How many vowels already? There are 2 vowels already. Okay, so this is no longer short, but it is already long. Okay, so it's not A anymore. It is A. A, K, and care. Alright? Then another one is about this one. How many vowel? Only one vowel A. So this one is short. It is da and dam. How about if I write letter E? Okay, so how many vowels? 1 and 2. And I will change into long sound. It's no longer da, but it is day. Dame. Alright? So next one is far. This one is short, and this one is far. If I put letter E, fair. Okay? So fair. Alright? So again, hate, laid, main, paid, pain, rain, rate, say, tape, vein. Okay? So I will give you time to copy this one, and we'll try to read them later. Okay? So please master the consonants and also the vowels. Alright? So you're going to write this one to be familiar with the sound, the short sound R and the long sound A. Okay? Look at the spelling. How many vowels? Okay? So I will give you 10 minutes to copy this, and I'll be back after 10 minutes. Okay, kids, do you understand long sound and short sound? Long, short. Okay? Long and short. A. This one is A. Okay? Cane, car, care, dam, dame, far, fair, hat, hate, lad, late, man, main. Again, cane, car, care, dam, dame, far, fair, hatch, hate, lad, late, man, main. A, pad, a, paid, pad, ran, rain, rat, rate, sack, sake, tap, tape, van, vein. You're going to do is, you're going to write this sign, okay? Curved line here, short a, short a, short a, short a, short a, short a, long A, okay? You write curved lines and straight line, okay? That's your first activity. And at page 127 here, okay, page 127, you're going to circle the word with short sound, okay, here. Can see here? The words here. Circle the word that has short sound. It means that you're going to circle the word with only one vowel. Only one vowel here. How many vowels here? How many vowels are? Only one. So you're going to circle this. Okay? Same here. Bag. And this one, how many vowels in here? There are two vowels, A and A. So there are two vowels. This is not short. Okay? About fan, how many vowels? Only one vowel. You're going to circle. Jar, only one vowel, you're going to circle. Cat, only one A, circle. Ham, only one A, circle. Rain, there are two vowels, do not circle. Pail, there are two vowels, no circle. Gate, there are two vowels, do not circle. Pad, only one vowel, circle. Car, you're going to circle car because only one vowel. And rat, only one A, only one vowel, you're going to circle. And after that, you're going to copy all the words that has only one vowel here. Okay? So, bag, cap, gate, there are two vowels, do not circle. Can, there are two vowels, do not circle. Ham, only one vowel, you're going to circle. Pad, only one vowel. Fan, only one vowel. Rain, only one vowel. Car, only one vowel. Jar, only one vowel. Pair, 1, 2, do not circle because there are two vowels. Rat, only one vowel, so going to circle. Okay, but this time I'm going to answer for you. But the next day, you are going to do it by yourself. And bag, cap, ham, pad, fan, car, jar, rat, you're going to write inside the hat. Okay? So I will give you 15 minutes to finish these activities. 1 and activity 2. So there are 2 activities in here. Okay? So, all of the others, all other activities, just write A, okay? Just write A here, okay? You will just write A. So, on the lines, there are a lot of lines here. You're going to write A, okay? Then we will read after your writing, okay? So, I give you 20 minutes to finish these activities, okay? So, good luck. Okay, kids, thank you for your participation. I know it's not easy to write, but it's your practice how to write, okay? So master writing. Master your writing for the 3 lines, all right? So 3 lines, you should know how to write the vowels on the 3 lines and also the consonants on the 3 lines, okay? So now I'm going to give you your homework. Please listen carefully. Anyway, this is just very easy for you, okay? So at page 129, you are going to read and copy. Alright, so these are long vowels, okay? So long vowel sounds because there are 2 vowels. Okay, so if you see like this, so that is a long vowel sound word. Okay, for example, the word is bake. There are two vowels. So this one is a, bake, 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 weigh, and vase, snake, cook a and cook k, shape, mail. Okay, so what you are going to do is you're going to copy this one here. Okay, B A K E, then you're going to write lines on the top of letter A. You understand? The same here, you copy these words, cake, and write A. Shape, write like this, in mail, and like this, okay? Now just copy and write snake. Okay? So you're going to copy the words here. Now you're going to practice this one on Friday. Okay? So we're going to repeat again so that you can understand very well. Because this lesson is not easy. So you need to listen very well and understand very well how to identify the short A and the long A. Okay? So please do your homework. Okay? So thank you for today. See you on Friday. Bye-bye.